Hi, John here. In this video, I would like to talk about why using subtitles in your Facebook ad videos is like an absolute must, and you can't go without it anymore. But first, if you are established e-commerce brand and you would like to scale your sales with agency, then definitely click on the link below or just visit adfederation.com. And Adfederation is my Facebook advertising agency and we focus only on e-commerce. Basically, before we even became advertising agency, we were 8-figure e-commerce owners, and till this day, we still run our own 8-figure e-commerce store. So basically, like every day, we spend like tens of thousands of dollars of our own money on Facebook, and this is also a reason why we're able to successfully scale so many other clients because, well, we did it for us first, So if this sounds interesting to you, definitely click on the link below or just go to adfederation.com and schedule a free demo call with me, and I will be looking forward to speaking with you there. Okay, so marketers are lazy, okay? And I don't know why, but I think you are lazy as well, a little bit, okay? So are you running subtitles, when it comes to your Facebook ad videos? I guess not, okay? Because most people don't do it, which is weird because only 10% of people who are checking your ads on mobile devices, and just so you know, like most sales are coming from like mobile devices. It's like only these 10% of people are using sound when it comes to Facebook ads, okay? Only 10% of people of all like mobile devices. So if you are using some like marketing tactics, and trying to like sell your things in your Facebook ad videos, like most people will not even hear a sound, okay, in those ads, and they will not hear your marketing tactics, So it's like not cool, if you are not using subtitles. So it literally means, that 90% of people are running, like on mute, okay? So, and I'm like so surprised that so many marketers don't run subtitles, when they run only mobile devices, It's just like so mad, It's like they love to like lose money or something. When you are running ads, you need to use everything, like every little help, that will help you to increase your sales, And when you are like ignoring this kind of like tiny, like a not important aspect of your video that, like it's really like tiny, like no fucking sound, then you are shooting your ads through legs, I mean, if your ads have legs, It's like so crazy, and using subtitles in videos is like so easy, it's like so simple, I mean, people think it's like difficult because you might think that, okay, so I need to edit my ads in some like specific software, or I need to like learn Final Cut or Premiere. I mean, yeah, that's like definitely like one of the ways, but there is like more super simple way, and it's like cheap, and why I'm like talking about money, because first, if you ever like try to use any like these kind of like transcribe softwares, basically that will like listen your audio and then like write that copy, these are expensive, so when you use them a lot, you pay a lot. But there is like a one way how to do it basically completely for free, and you are like using one of the most advanced transcribing softwares in the world, which is like super accurate, and it's like crazy that most people don't do it. And that software will even like update your videos when it comes to all those subtitles and put it on like right places, so you don't even need that Final Cut Pro, because you can do all editing in that software automatically. Okay, so before we will come to that software, there is like also one thing. If you are native like me, you need to have that subtitles in like a correct form, right, in like proper language. So what I do is that I use sometimes Grammarly, right? I mean, not just Grammarly, that automatic update, but you can use for like $5 or $20, that Grammarly, like a human service that literally you will just write it and then you will pay them like $5 or $10 or 20, and little like human will go through your ads, put them in like right sentences, so it's like all like in correct form, and they will do it in like 20 minutes, okay? So this is like what I personally use, and then I go to those softwares. And what I'm talking here about, it's TikTok ads, okay? So you can literally transcribe all your ads and then use it on Facebook, And I know it sounds a little bit like a stupid, you know, but it's really like the easiest way, you know, because TikTok ads have like the most accurate transcription. Literally, like TikTok ads, it's like free. I mean, you don't even need to run TikTok ads, you just need to have access to the TikTok Creative Studio. You just need to log into TikTok, you know, and I will just try to show you example, you know, using my own video, okay? So the video finally uploaded, you know, after a couple short moments. And first, I definitely suggest first, if you are using just a typical 1-to-1, you know, ratio, then definitely click here, because once you will add those subtitles in TikTok, you will need to download it, you know. Only one thing that sucks is actually that TikTok will let you download in 720p, you know, and I usually upload almost everything in like 4K. Yeah, here auto caption, and here we'll just click on that English version that you want. So if you are selling mostly in USA, I would definitely suggest USA. And generate caption. And now it will probably like generate version of my like broken English, right? So I'm obviously Jim Kubica, which is great. But well, if you have like normal English, like not like shitty one like me, then you will probably get like a very good job here from like TikTok, you know. And yeah, it's like almost like fine, you know. And yeah, so you can just like play a little bit with that. For example, I don't like white on black, you know. I just like this, and so you can literally just like play with it a little bit, you know, and even like rewrite or fix some things, you know, and or just make it bigger, you know, or whatever you want, you know. And then when you are done, you can just like confirm. It will a little bit like work, you know, and after it will like stop editing that video, then you can basically download it. And this is really like the easiest way, you know, because you can just make this like so fast, you know. And truth is that even that 720p that you will get from TikTok, it's not a problem, you know, when people are checking it on phone anyway, you know. At least like you will have videos like super quickly, you know, especially like if you are native, you know, when it comes to English, then it's like there's like no brainer, you know, just like always throw it in TikTok, fix like typos, you know, because you will understand immediately. And well, you have like perfect video with subtitles in like no time, you know. I don't think you can get subtitles, you know, to your videos like quicker than this, you know. And see like when it is, you know, we'll just click on confirm, and yeah, it will let me download it. See, so this is like the quickest way how to get subtitles to your videos. I mean, like this is like no brainer, you know. You can just throw it in TikTok, like if you have good English or you're using some video that is like in proper English, TikTok will almost like make it like perfect, you know. And see, like most of the time, like the biggest work is, you know, like to do it all like manually. Like, have you ever tried to do subtitles in Final Cut? You know, it's like a nightmare, you know. It will take like hour. But with TikTok, it will do it automatically, you know. You will just come and like fix those like single words that are probably like typos, you know. It will be like 100 times more quicker, you know. So if you are launching every day like tons of products and testing tons of products, this is like the easiest way how to get videos. And at least you will know that you did every day, you know, with every launch that you do, like your best, okay? Because especially like me, you know, like every time when I'm testing something, like some new products, I always test on USA and I always test on only on mobile, you know. So this way I always have subtitles, so I know that the test is like perfect, you know, because people were able to read those subtitles, okay? Even those people who were on mute, because like I said, on phones, like 90% of people are literally like running on mute. So they will never hear sound of your video, they will never hear any like speech you have in the video or like any copy, you know, they can only read. And if you do these small things like test, you know, like subtitles on your videos, it's just like a huge competitor's advantage, okay? Because most of your competitors are like lazy fucks, okay? I mean, like, excuse my French, you know, but truth is that most marketers are not like some rock stars, okay? They are not like some thinkers, okay? They are like bunch of lazy like people who just want to get like free money basically without any work, okay? And every marketer who will like think about what they do and they go this like extra mile, you know, to get like that perfect video, perfect thumbnail, subtitles, or like work on their like Facebook promotion, they usually like win, you know, and they will go a lot far, you know, than these like lazy like marketers, okay? And this is like always same, like I see it like after years, you know, like all these like lazy people, they are like out of the business, and all these people who always go that extra mile, they are just like thriving and going like up, okay? So be like these people, you know, like go that extra mile, you know. And with that TikTok, you know, those subtitles are like not like that far, you know, it's like so fast. And with that you can just use Grammarly, you know, if you are not native, and everything will be like perfect for a launch. So step up your game and get better results, okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helped, you know. And if you are still running in, you know, like Facebook circle of hell of like a pain and advance, then definitely download my book, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. You know, I wrote it to help you, to get you out of the Facebook circle of hell, okay? It was downloaded by like tens of thousands of people, you know, in last year. Definitely download it, it's like free, you know, and it will probably like save you as well, okay? So definitely download that. And like I said, if you want to scale your e-commerce brand and you're looking for agency, then definitely go on adferation.com and schedule a free demo call with us, okay? And we'll explain you how we can do it, okay? So thank you very much, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.